OME Technology emphasizes the R&D center and develops its subsidiaries to invite elite professionals. We further provide training in enterprise startup systems to establish a diversified organization and enhance enterprise value. OME strictly monitors each production step with higher standards for better quality. Product quality is guaranteed through a clean and neat environment according to specific categories in packaging. Linear guides can be divided into a non-caged and caged style. With anti-dusted, oil-reserved, and quiet systems to enhance product quality and lifetime. As a pioneer of the common rail design in the industry, OME uses the same linear rail to decrease inventory levels, which saves resources and moves towards the goals of energy saving, green energy, and complex industry. The cage design enhances smoothness, lengthens lifetime, and reduces noise. It is suitable for all types of linear guides and is easy to maintain and replace. OME strictly monitors each production step with higher standards for better quality. OME Technology has various international certificates as a foundation to win clients' trust. With the highest inspection procedure to provide our quality assurance to customers. Inspections are conducted as various raw materials first enter our factory. OME Technology conducts independent inspections for each production process. QA implements high standard inspections of personnel practices, inspection gauges, and production materials. OME has an excellent warehouse management system to ensure the soonest delivery for customers.